Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for joining. Please excuse the background because I went out today and was just trying to get ready and so on, so it kind of looking a bit of a mess, but please excuse that. So today is going to be kind of like a rant, basically me just talking about a little bit of what I went through today. And I don't know why I keep experiencing this. I just say in my mind it's just the devil using people to like stir up anger and just to stir up level of insecurity that I trying to get past. So yeah, this, I guess this is a way of releasing all of that before it's all bundled in a negative way, which I don't want to happen. And who doesn't love a good rant, right? Especially, yeah, you get a little mix up. So yeah, so basically me, my mom and other relatives went out because we had errands to run as usual. And my mom, well, I went into KFC to get some, we're gonna get KFC for food, right? So I got some things in there for us to eat for lunch. And also we had another relative that was waiting at home for us who came to visit us, right? So we had to get something for her plus us for lunch. So the camera cut off a while, sorry about that. So yeah, I went into KFC and I got what I wanted. Then I saw my mom waiting for me, and also at KFC there's just there are people, juggler, igler, vendors that sell food kind like yam, banana and all those stuff. So my mom was buying something so we can cook later on for dinner. So I wanted an extra bag, so I asked her if she had any, but they were selling some bags and I said, could you get one for me? And she bought what she was buying, and she got the bag. And after getting the bag, the guy that was selling her the food asked me if I wanted yam or anything to buy, and I was like, no, I don't want anything. And he was just like, all of a sudden he just started to target my body type and was like, that's what the girls I couldn't love, just pure KFC, just because he saw that I had the KFC in my hand and I didn't want to buy anything from him. So he was just on like, women like that I love. So he was pointing to my mom and guessing he didn't know that she was my mom. I guess he was thinking she was my friend or sister, I don't know, because many people think my mom is like a sister or friend just because she looks so young and fresh. So I don't know. Anyways, after him said that, no, he was just like, that's someone who want to eat up a lot of yam, and so on. Basically the behind can, you know, I don't know why you have to touch on that. The man was like, he was like saying he wouldn't be with a woman like this I wouldn't want, basically because he saw me buying the KFC and assuming that's all I feed on. I don't want him yamming. I guess he felt offended and I didn't say anything bad. So he's saying he didn't want a woman, I guess because I wasn't the type that he was interested in. He's basically interested in a woman with a big bottom, a big top, not me, not the skinny girl, which I wasn't asking his opinion on. Like, I wasn't looking him. I don't know. So look at this. This is just so funny when I think about it. This is just the lie of the enemy. He wanted to get to me, and I guess you cannot get what you want, but me still I go win because people actually I gravitate towards this and actually give me their honest opinion, and have a little community of people that can actually sympathize or actually agree with what I'm saying. And it was just going on and on. I don't remember some amount I said. I was just like, don't judge a book by its cover, because like, are you assuming that I don't cook? Are you assuming that that's all I feed on? Like, we don't we haven't had KFC for some time, to be honest. Like once in a while we get it, and the only reason why we get it is after running the errand, we were tired and wanted something quick and easy to eat for lunch, and we got that. And it wasn't for me one, it was for everybody. The only thing I got was a small famous bowl, and that's it. I am the type of person, like my father's side of the family is slim people, most of them, especially my grandma that passed last, wait, no, not last year, the year before last year, may she rest in peace. She was very slim and a very tall lady, and my dad is tall, of course, so I feel like I get most of that, like the height, the tallness from them. And it's like I feel like I get the hips from my mom's side and so on. Like I can see a drastic change in my weight, but growing up I tend to, like, I don't know, didn't have a lot of appetite. So sometimes I used to take tonic and all these things, and eventually as I got older I ate more, and people are telling me um like I gained weight because people know me as that skinny girl. So I was more skinnier than this in the past, and I'm glad to see a drastic change, to know that I am getting my appetite back, as I'm not even back, but getting my appetite as I'm getting older, because in the past I would feel insecure. People always target me about my weight, and that's just how I am. Like I can eat as much as I want, but it's like, what's it called again, my metabolism. Basically, like I might eat a lot, but I might not like absorb enough so I can gain weight from what I'm eating. I forgot the meaning, but I basically get the concept, but you can look it up. So it runs in my family genes, I guess. Not everybody, like I don't get why men, especially some men, tend to target women types. I feel like it's society, because nowadays the body type that you're supposed to have is this hourglass shape. You're supposed to have a big bottom and a big top, and if you don't, like, your look as different. Like, what's wrong with you? Aren't you eating? Aren't you this? Oh my, I don't know why I'm making this bother me, to be honest, to the point I have to record a video about it. But like, I just feel like I can just get everybody input that watch this video as to what you think, because I feel like growing up, as I said in many of my sit down videos, my body is something I was targeted a lot about. Right now you're going to probably have people that comment on my face, because as you can see, I have a tall face, which I have come to love and to, what is the word, come to love and to get used to. Like, I can't run from it. This is how God made me. I've come to know that this is the body type that I have. Like, I am not thick, I am not stout, I am not, I am just a slim girl with a nice body shape, which I am learning to love every day. That God loves me no matter what, and I can't do nothing about it unless there's some change one day where I can say, oh, she's really putting on weight. Like, I can't help the fact that I am or I am. It doesn't exclude that I don't eat, or I don't cook, or I don't this, or I don't that. Like, I don't understand why some men knock down a woman because that's not their type. Because I am not your type doesn't mean you have to put me down or degrade me or say. He just said some things I probably not repeat. He didn't go all in deep. Try to ignore him, at certain parts. But that's not the type of man I would go for anyways. A man that degrades woman is a no-no for me. A man that has no respect for woman, or is very ignorant, because he's just looking at the fact that, okay, she bought KFC one time, he's assuming like it's an everyday thing for me, and assuming like I can't cook, when you look at it now, like that's all I do on my channel, like bake, which is similar to cooking, which I do, but I prefer baking on my channel than doing cooking videos. But I do cook at home. Like I don't know if I'm making sense in this video, but it's just so off-putting, like to just see somebody with KFC and assume that they don't cook, and assume that's all they feed on because you see them with it once, and then you're going to degrade them on their body type just because they don't want to buy something that you're selling. That really sounds like the enemy schemes and lies. I don't know, like skinny shaming, as they call it. Skinny shaming, skinny is a thing. People shame you, not care if you look fat, slim, thick. That is, I don't know, it's not gonna end. You have to just know yourself basically at the end of the day. Know who you are, accept who you are, accept the body that you're in. That way, when people come with whatever opinion they have of you or your body, you won't be, it won't bother you, you know, it won't shake you, because you already love the body that you're in. You already understand your body, you know why you're the way you are, you know. I don't condone like unhealthy eating, you know, like overeating and then you're so like obese. Like I don't condone that, but I'm still not going to judge a person because I don't know what they went through in order for them to go through all of that, to be eating that much. So they are, oh, you know what, I know what I'm saying. Like I try my best not to like judge another man based on his appearance, because who am I to judge? I don't like when people remarks or make assumptions based on how I look. I don't know, like probably my health history or my genetics and all of those things to consider as to why you are the way you are. As I said, it all come down to you at the end of the day. You know, you have to just be comfortable in your body that God has given unto you. Learn to love yourself, which is what I'm doing every day. Things like this, I try my best not to let it bother me, because this is like a first in a long while I haven't get a remarks about how I look based on the fact I'm buying KFC. Like them money are waste, man. Them not, no. They're not nothing to do. Yeah, that's my rant. And yeah, tell me something more. Like, do you guys get any sense out of this, you know? Or have you ever been shamed about how you look or your appearance, or being judged incorrectly based on your appearance or your body type that you're in, you know? I probably delete this video after a while. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm posting it, but if you're seeing this, then I had enough courage to put it up. Yeah, guys, I'll be over this little more, like, just for now. Yeah, thank you for watching my rant. Please don't look over there. Until next time, bye guys. You know that I said I wasn't going to do these type of videos for the new year, but I was gonna help it. Yeah, bye guys.